Hello. Hello, everyone. Hope you all are well. I really need a bigger Christmas cap thingy. I don't know, you could literally see the stretch, like how it's stretching. But it's messing up my hair. So, yeah, lekker. Let's roll. Okay. Things are looking promising on gold. Now, the past few days, I've really felt like in motion with the markets, recovering from a really tough 2 weeks, past 2 weeks. And I'm not even shy to say it because I'm actually proud of myself, just because, I stayed put. And I mean, that was my worst performing 2 weeks in a row for this whole year. So I'm quite actually chuffed with myself. And now, ever since I've, made peace with that, well, the previous 2 weeks, um, I'm feeling much more at ease, looking at the markets. I'm feeling at one with the markets, and things are really looking good. So basics, let's quickly look at gold. So yes, we did want to see that downwards move on gold. Then we wanted to see that upwards push. Now we did get an upwards push. Let me just remove this. We did get a little bit of an upwards push over here, and then we came back down, and then we pushed back up. So overall analysis still really good, still upwards, still very bullish on gold. We just need to break above this level. If we can break above this level, which is also a really nice psychological level of 2650, $2,650. If we can break above that level and break above this level and chase these highs, it's all going good. Okay. You can see the reactions that we had in the past at the previous week's high, value area high. Okay, so for the week, from Monday 18 November until Friday 22 November. Um, so we are still seeing some reactions at this price level. So I still want to see that push to the upper side, use it as support, and then trade to the upper side again. Okay. And then we also do have this low volume node up above here. And when we reach this area, I'll start looking at a sell, perhaps trading it back towards the value area high. Okay, it looks something like this. So let's say we do reach this area. I'll look at a sell if we do see nice reactions. And then I'll trade the market back towards this value area high for the previous week. Okay. So yeah, we also still do have this high volume area. I don't know if you could see it, the light gray, well, the darker gray area. You could see we are quite big. So I also want to see us work through that area, but we might also use this area as an area of resistance, or just supply. So I'll just keep my eyes on that area as well. But this move to the upper side is really golden for me. Okay, so that's the analysis on gold. Looking at the analysis on Brent, okay, relatively flat. I said in the morning session that I want to stay flat and on Brent. So I'm really happy about it. We are ranging a bit, creating a low, higher high, lower low, and now this low where we are currently at. Yeah, so still just want to remain flat on Brent crude. Jumping to crypto, Bitcoin has seen a bit of a knock. We spoke about this area. Okay, we actually didn't push back towards this area, but we saw a bit of a dip on Bitcoin, actually on all the cryptocurrencies. On Ethereum, we didn't see quite, we saw a bit of a dip, but nothing spectacular, and Ripple as well, also a bit of a fall. And Doge also a bit of a fall. Okay. So I'm also going to stay flat on cryptocurrencies for the day. Jumping to our Euro USD trade idea. So let me just remove this again. We wanted to see a break to the downside. Okay, we want to see a break below the 200 exponential moving average. And we got that with this really nice red candle. Then we push back up. Nice reaction of the 200 exponential moving average with this nice red candle over here, the 10 o'clock 15-minute candle. And we just, I mean, yeah, you could see this. We are moving down really, really nice. I did reach take profit too. I moved my third trade stop loss to break even. And this is how close I got to be stopped out again. And then it actually is still going in my direction, in my favor. So I'm quite happy with what I'm looking at currently. Okay, really, really satisfied. So I'm still, yeah, a bit bearish on Euro USD. We just need to work through this value area low for the previous week, just this black line over here. So the literally the bottom line of this nice little orange gold box. We might use it as a bit of support, but I'm working with my stop loss, moving my stop loss down, down, down. So my stop loss is currently just below my first take profit. It's currently at 1.04980, so around here-ish. Okay. So it's a risk-free trade, so I can look at other markets. Jumping to GBP USD, I had a really quick trade on GBP USD. Well, not really quick, like it was a bit of a day trade. This stop loss is not the stop loss that I used. I used a much tighter stop loss, and I took this little trade to the downside. Now, we also discussed this move in our London pre-market analysis session, where I want to see the market push back in towards this high volume area, this resistance area, which became support, and then we use it as resistance again. We got a nice reaction out of that area over here, 9:15, and then I wanted to see a push back towards that area and take my trade. And I was one of those guys who got in and out really, really quick. My third take profit was this low, the news low. Okay, so the low just after news, 5:15 yesterday afternoon. And we literally just picked it and then we carried back upwards. So really beautiful trade. This was a 10 out of 10 trade. My preparation was on point. And my exit rules were also on point. But for the strategy, I don't usually trade support resistances this often. But if you go look at my value area, you'll see that we had a few overlapping volume profiles. Okay. And then Friday's volume profile was the one that stood out for me. Okay. If I just drag out this red line to the right-hand side, you'll see the reactions that we are seeing on this red line for this whole week already. So when I saw this nice little green candle, okay, over here, I saw we closed and we rejected, okay, and then I saw we pushed down, so I got into a trade. So a really beautiful trade. Yeah, just overall beautiful trade. Okay. So what is next for GBP USD? I'm still quite bearish on GBP USD. I don't want to see any ranging price action, and that's what we are currently seeing on GBP USD and also on gold. We have a bit of a support area over here that we are using as support. Okay, at the 1.26400 level. But on Euro USD, we are still pushing really nice downwards. Okay, again, just look at that reaction. The previous week's value area low. What are the odds that we have this clean of a reaction off of that price level? Again, it's not a coincidence. It's how the market moves. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to stay flat for the rest of the day on GBP USD just because of this trending price action and also the ranging price action and also just the overall range that we have from this support level up until this resistance level. So I'm just going to wait this one out and sit on the sideline. Okay, sometimes it's necessary to sit on the sideline. So yeah, Euro USD, I want to see the market push down a little bit more, create a bit of a range. Yeah, a range at the bottom of this value area low, exactly like we did over here. I want to see a bit of a range forming, and then if I see a breakout to either side, I'll then decide whether I'll be looking for a buy or whether I'll be looking for a short. Okay. So yeah, USD JPY has been up really, really nice since our morning session. Okay. Beautiful reactions off of, okay, this should just reset again. Okay, there we go. Beautiful reaction off of Monday's value area. Okay, beautiful reactions. I was already in two trades, which was Euro USD and GBP USD. So I didn't want to overexpose myself. And yeah, then we pushed up, okay, through this nice little support level, okay, which became resistance. And then we used it again as support and we continued higher. Okay. So there was several reasons why I didn't look for a buy, just because we had a reaction off of this resistance level. Okay. Um, with this candle, this green candle, literally the 10 o'clock candle. So I didn't expect us to just break through it like this, but it is what it is. But I'm quite happy that I rather looked at Euro USD and GBP USD. So overall for today, I want to look for GBP, USD JPY to push back towards the support level or even Monday's high volume area over here, and then just look for that continuation. But remember, this is dependent. It depends on whether, well, yeah, what the news will be. Obviously, this analysis could not be in favor. Well, the fundamentals could not be in favor of the analysis. Good day, guys. Sorry for this random question, but can someone please tell me why Starling cannot allow you to go online trade? It literally don't have access to trading app, or on other apps it works. No idea, Neil, our fellow Mexican. I have no idea why. I'll perhaps look into it, and then if I have something, I'll send you a message. Okay, but really interesting, really interesting stuff. Okay. So yeah, this is the analysis on Forex. And this is the analysis on gold that I will be waiting for. Okay, that's going to be quite a quick session. Not really a super exciting day, to be honest. But yeah, it's been treating me quite well. This whole week has been a great success so far. I've been entered into 6 trades and all 6 of them played out. So really happy. Last week we ended off on a bit of a drawdown, and I'm already past that drawdown. So it's important to not focus on what happened the previous week, but to focus on what opportunities yeah, is in the markets currently today at this moment. Okay, it's a bit of a motivational speech. I don't want it to be, but it's really just how it works. You shouldn't focus on what happened in the past. The thing is, if you only focus on what's happening in the past, you're literally just blocking yourself for growth. And I'm a person that loves growth. I'm a person that loves progress. I'm a person that loves performance. So yeah, and that's what trading is all about. Okay. So yes, that will be the end of the session. It's a pleasure, Neil. You must enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Neil, I don't know what the weather looks like in Mexico, but it's really hot here, hey? Jeez. Um, okay. But yeah, enjoy your Wednesday afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow morning for our London pre-market analysis session. All right. Cheers, everyone. Take care.